Let's go old school, baby.
So you and Shondi were beaten by a little punk like Miller.
Well, he crashed our helicopter. He didn't kill us.
That sounds like you lost to me.
Man, shut up.
Do I know her from somewhere?
Let's go old school, baby.
You've confused me. Yeah, I like that.
Let's go old school, baby.
That's good, right? Keep it coming.
Aren't you there yet?
Hey, man, slow up. We almost there.
I don't want that little bastard beating me again.
You're not gonna happen, girl.
Kenzie's a little high-strung, don't you think?
Yeah, I think we're all that's keeping her sane.
You sure she still is?
Let's go old
Yeah,
school,
I like
baby.
that.